Hello, this is Cody Carlson doing his introductory video for Module 1 of EDL 851 with supervision and evaluation. A little bit about myself. I'm from Eudora High School outside of Lawrence. I graduated in 2009. I just turned 27 over the summer. After high school, I went to Northwest Missouri State and I played football there and was a physical education major. That's my fiance down at the bottom. We're getting married in March, and we have a corgi named Jax. Reflecting on my teaching career a little bit, this is my 5th year of teaching. My first 2 years were in the Kansas City, Missouri area as a middle school weightlifting teacher. I started the strength and conditioning program there and coached high school football along with middle school girls basketball and track. In 2016, I moved to Great Bend, Kansas, where I took the ISS supervisor job, and I coach high school football, basketball, and track there. And we have our first day of school tomorrow. We've started a little later. Reflecting on becoming a principal. Like I said, I'm just starting my journey of my teaching career, just starting my 5th year. So right now, the administration route is not really in the near future. I'm very excited and I enjoy my teaching duties, and I really like just being where I'm at right now. I'm very happy with what my duties are. Honestly, to start this program, it was more just looking to move right on the pay scale. But now that I'm almost done, I know that this was definitely the best option for me continuing my professional education. I have a way better understanding of this whole educational system now. I started this program the spring of my 3rd year, and now I'm going to graduate the spring of my 5th year. And I've had a lot of conversations with administrators and other teachers that I never would have in those early years without this program. So now even though I don't necessarily want to be a principal at this moment, I have that knowledge and I kind of understand what's going on in our school and being able to talk to our administrators. And our administrators in Great Bend are awesome, and they've been very open and they love to help. And I have good role models to watch. And being the ISS teacher, I work directly with those administrators. So it's nice that they kind of have mentioned me improving this educational process and us being on the same page. And then, like I said, right now I'm very satisfied with where I'm at career-wise with my coaching duties and my teaching duties. As far as a leadership position, I probably have a goal of being a head coach before being a principal. So who knows what the future has. Reflecting on the supervision responsibilities, because of my just starting my 5th year and just the lack of experience, I don't have a whole lot of leadership duties at the moment. I mean, I'm not shying away from them, but at the moment, I'm not leading a committee or anything like that, like some of our other classmates are. I guess you would say my supervision responsibilities would be my coaching duties, whether I'm looking at my position group or the freshman or JV teams that I'm in charge of. Lunchroom supervisions every once in a while, just filling in for people. And then individually, personally, I would say probably my SS classroom supervision, because it's different than a normal classroom. It's the final step of discipline before they get booted for 3 days. It's a little bit different of a supervision and environment, so I probably have some insight that's a little bit different than other classroom teachers. And then reflection on past evaluations. It's probably similar to everybody else's. The principal or evaluator comes in with their iPad, checks the boxes, makes little comments, is in there for about 10, 15 minutes, and then they leave. Not really sure. You'll get an email of the receipt and everything. But when I think of past evaluations and just the steps that go with it, you always schedule a meeting time, whether they come by and say, hey, are you free, or when would you like me to come evaluate you, or through email. And you know the criteria that you're getting evaluated on. You've started making an individual plan and goals to improve on, and you know that this lesson plan would really showcase what you've improved on and how you're reaching those goals. So then they come in, observe your plan of you acting it out. And then whether it's right after that lesson or maybe that at the end of the day or whenever you're free, yeah, you sit with your evaluator and you reflect on it together. What did we do good? What could improve? How do we move forward? And then on your own, you reflect on increasing your improvement plan. So those are the steps that I think of evaluations. And maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Very excited to learn about evaluation supervision. I feel like that's another thing along the way of the educational process that I'm excited to learn about. Here are my standards. I'll talk about those later. Thank you very much. I look forward to learning from all of you. Seems like we have a lot of experience and leadership in this group, so I'm excited to learn from all of you. Thank you.